Okay, so you wear makeup, you like the nice natural look, you like to look basic in a good way, but you also, want to have good looking skin, and you maybe want to play around with color a little bit, but you don't know where to start or how to do it, especially if you're a male, because that is kind of iffy. You can go from looking really good and fresh face to looking not so fresh face, and looking kind of crazy, which we don't like. So let's explain a little bit about color for men. And when I say color, I mean color on your lips, color on your eyes, color on your cheeks, not foundation color. So check it out. I think you're gonna like what I have here. Okay, I'm back. So look at my lips. What do you think? Do you like them? I have color on them. Just a little bit though. So when talking about color, especially for men's makeup or a male's makeup, or anybody's makeup for that matter, if someone just likes a really natural look, but they decided, I might want to get a little bit into color, but where do I start? How do I do it? So the reason I was pointing to my lips, because I have color on, it's actually a gloss. It's a red gloss. Do you believe that? And I absolutely love it. So it just gives a little bit of color to my lips without looking like I have anything on. Or if it does look like I have something on, it looks like a teeny little bit of something, and who cares? So I want to put a little color on my lips. Give me a break. Now, this is specifically for lips, but it can also be multi-use. So a lot of products that are for lips are also for cheeks, and they call it a multi-use. So you can use it on cheeks, you can use it on lips, you can use it on your eyes. This one I wouldn't specifically because it's a little greasy. I would not use that on my cheeks. Some people would if you have dry skin. But, so you can do that. If you want, take that, put it on your cheeks, and it's gonna give a little color. It's just gonna look too greasy. Let's see, I just actually put a little on my hand. So this is what this product would look like if you put just a little bit on your cheek, like that. That's without, that's with. So this is just to show you color. Like I said, I wouldn't normally put this on my cheek personally, just because I break out easily, but there are other options, and I want to balance myself out now. So let me put a little of that color on my cheek. So keep in mind, it's the same thing that I have on my lips, I'm putting on my cheek. You can just get a multi-stick, and usually a multi-stick is something that you use for lips, cheeks, and eyes. Okay, so I'm also going to show you if you wanted to, but again, this is going to make your eye kind of greasy, but it's just to show how you can get color from one product and not look like you're wearing blush and lipstick and eyeshadow. Now, if you don't want to venture out that much in, like with this kind of reddish color, you can always get a palette, or you can get anything separate. I always recommend people keep it easy, keep it cute, don't do too much at first, don't overwhelm yourself, right? So if you see here, this is a blush. It has some shimmer in it now. Shimmer is gonna make it a little glitzy looking if you use too much of it, so be really careful. Right there. So I'm gonna take a little of this with a blush brush, which I have right here, and I'm gonna go there, a teeny tiny bit, and dot it on my cheek, and just a little bit over here, and what that's gonna do is add a little color. So it's essentially the extras from the cheeks you're putting on other places. Not all over, because you don't want to have a big red face, a big pink face. Now, there you go. So you can use this one or this one for blush, for bronzer. So, blush, bronzer, And then down here, I have a gray. I have a kind of, I don't know, what color is that? Like a copper, I guess. And this is a nude. These are all shimmers. Now, you can get these without shimmer as well. So it's really up to you. If you really want to start kind of getting crazy, get a shimmer. It's nice. You know, you just don't want to use too much of it. That's the key when you're a guy and you're trying to put color on. Don't do too much, especially if you don't know what you're doing. Less is more, trust me. Okay, so I'm going to use a little more of that color again. And I'm just putting a little on my eyebrow. Now, when you say color, we automatically think, oh, you know, green, blue, you know, all these crazy colors. What I'm putting on are muted, more earth tones. They're colors, but they're not like, you know, really crazy colors, really bright. And I would still do this on my lips, you know, even if I'm just doing kind of a nude look all over. So that is my tutorial on how to get a little pop of color without looking like you put anything on. Now, here's my one last tip. If you do this and decide, it's a little too much, what did I do? Or there's too much shimmer or something like that. Take your, press powder. Lots of powder. Take your pressed powder and just go over it very lightly, and that's gonna kind of soften it up, mute it out, and so if there is too much shimmer for you, you can take it down by just putting a pressed powder on, a translucent powder, like this one. Well, this is a pink one, but you could put something like that on top of it, and it's just gonna make it so it's not as, you know, makeup-y looking, and kind of softens everything and makes it so that you're not shiny as well. So there you go. Makeup 101 basic color. You have now taken the class and you pass. If you send me a DM saying what your favorite color is to wear on your face. Okay, so if you do that, you pass my course on color, and I will see you soon. So don't forget to like, and don't forget to subscribe as well. That is gonna let you know when I have a new video coming out. And if you could just DM me, let me know what you like and what you don't like, and I'll give you what you're looking for. Okay, so I'll talk to you soon. It's Chris, CD Beauty NYC. Talk to you later.